Everybody, I know that by now all of you around the world have seen the complete destruction and devastation that has hit our Hawaiian Islands, our island of Maui. And I'm completely heartbroken over this, and I know all of you are too. Everything that I've seen transpire over these past couple of days, everything that continues to transpire hour by hour and minute by minute, it's all heartbreaking. Thank you guys around the world for all of your love and your support, your light, your prayers. Thank you for sending them to the islands of Hawaii, the people of Hawaii. And for you guys who want to donate and support in any way that you can, check the link in my bio. I'll even drop it down here in my copy. I have been speaking with organizations on the ground who have boots on the ground, and I will continue to get as much information as possible. There's so many needs